hear smoke. But today we're gonna do a video on. I bought a lot of stuff right here, as you can see. Okay, so this is. Oh, so I bought a new radio for the truck. I bought 6x9 speakers, 6x9 speakers. So we're gonna put that in the back today. And this is the radio. It's just a simple Bluetooth radio. I think it's the same one I have in my Civic. Look at that, guys. Those are the new wheels. I'm sending them down to polish them. So today we're gonna be installing the. Look, this is the old radio I had. When I disconnected it and connected it again because something was wrong with it, it wasn't turning on. I like jammed it really hard and then it stopped working. So let me go add power to the car, turn it on for a little bit. So since the car didn't start, I'm gonna show you how to uninstall this. So first, we take this tab off, which is just like a plastic. It's not even, it's like clips. You just clip it off. You're exposed to the bolts. So this one has a bolt and this one has a screw. I remember it being a bolt, but whatever. Alright, now that this is connected, we can pull it out. So your radio might look different compared to mine, but when you pull it out, you have to disconnect a couple cables in the back. So look, yours might be different than mine. Because I already changed this before. You have this antenna. Then this is the, I think this is, what did I say? This is a speaker, and then the back is the power. Okay, 30 minutes later and we complete. So I'm gonna just turn the power on, see if it turns on. There's no power. Guys, there's no power at all. Is it the key? I did it. I went to check the terminal to see if it's connected. I just moved it a little bit. And it drained the battery there. So let's see if the radio just turns on by itself. Let me turn this on. Oh, it's upside down. Turn on. Turn on, please. What is that? Oh, God. Alright, guys. I'm back. Should we start or should we leave it like that? Guys, oh my God! Woo! Power! You know what was the problem? I went to go check the fuse. I'm like, my cables are connected right. So I went to go check the fuse. I pulled it out. All those fuses are blown. I have to go change all those fuses. But look, let's get it. Let's connect some Bluetooth and let's get it. Alright guys, we did it. Doesn't have Bluetooth, so let's put some uncopyrighted music playing. Alright, put the volume up. Baby, now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you want, cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch, overseas, getting bins, no Mercedes in this bitch, we made I'm giving them crazy eyes, armor just that new black code, that's what I think about it, stress me out so I drink about it, they talk it out, but it's all good, so it's too real, don't think about it. Stay in my zone, let me right in my face. Guys, so we're gonna put the 6x9 6x9s right here, so they might be sticking out. So these are the ones I got. 6x9 rockers. So this is what I currently have. Only one of them has it. Only one of them has it, so we're about to see the difference between these two and the sound difference. So let me unbox it. I think I ordered the wrong thing. Look at this compared to that. What the hell? Look at that fit. So, what I'm gonna do. So we're just gonna test it right now. Hopefully it doesn't fall. I'm scared. That's loud, you can hear it. The volume up. I might pop around and pop a jigger. This song made me pop a little. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do is, look how dirty this is. Ew. Ew. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna leave the panel on. So I'm gonna make a hole right here. I forgot I had this little tool, this little Dremel. So this would be easier to just cut it. Put the little hole right there. Right there, so easy. I'll put my black gloves on. Make sure you got some safety glasses. So I'm gonna check if it fits now. It hit my nose. Damn. I'm playing with the drip. So let's see if it fits. Nope. I need a little bit more. I need to shave the edges off. Alright guys, so it's another problem. So if I did it like that, so look, this wouldn't line up. I need to trim the metal here, so this could go more inside, because if it's like that, it'll be way loose. Or let me check with the panel.